Good afternoon, students. Today I will be teaching the various types of account that a business has to open. As you can see, we are dealing with three types of account. The first is called as a personal type of account. The second is called as a real type of account, and the third is called as nominal type of account. Now let us see what a personal type of account that a business opens. This personal account deals with names. So when I talk about names, there are two categories of name. One I say name of a debtor, and the other is name of a creditor. Now who are debtors? Debtors are those to whom we sell goods on credit, and creditors are those from whom we purchase goods on credit. Then personal account deals with bank. Business transactions are to be done with bank, so bank account is to be opened by the business. The third type of personal type of account is the other businesses, the other organizations, and the other institutions. The fourth type of account is businessman. Businessman is a separate entity as compared to business. So here businessman has two categories of account. The first category is drawings, and the second category is capital. Drawing means when the amount of cash goods are withdrawn by the businessman for the personal use is called as drawing. And capital amount brought in by the businessman to start a business is called as capital. Now let us come to the second category. The second category of accounts are real. Real account deals with goods. So when I talk about goods comes in or goes out from the business. When goods comes in, we say it as purchase, and when goods goes out, we say it as sales. The second category of real is property of the business. The property of the business, where I mean to say the fixed assets like land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, vehicles, etc. The third is cash. And the fourth is investments. The investments are those where a business invests money outside the business by buying some shares of some company, buying some debentures of the company, or making a fixed deposit in the bank. Now let's go to the nominal type of account. Nominal accounts deals with expenses, it deals with losses, it deals with incomes, and it deals with the profits or the gains. Now let me explain the rule of debit and credit for various types of account. When I talk about personal, so the rule of personal is debit the account of receiver and credit the account of giver. If I talk about the real type of account, the rule is debit the account of what comes in and credit the account of what goes out. And the third category, nominal account rule is debit the account of expenses and losses and credit the account of incomes and gains.